marks.
Division, the top-ranked team in this race, Viewpoint, ranked number 2 in the division. They're the Gold Coast League champs this year. Very close battle with Windward, back by just 1 point. They're the Mount Sac Division 5 team sweepstakes champions this year. Got a very quick 85-47. That's an average of 17-10.
Great job, Dom. You're in a good spot here right now. Keep your eye on that pack.
Go with him, Logan! Yes, Simon, start working it, Simon. Let's go!
Let's go, guys.
Here we go, Caleb. Go with him, Caleb. Go with him
right now.
Go.
Stay tough. Work together.
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Austin.
Why, you didn't make it up or how we're looking?
What?
Go get
how we're looking?
Boys.
You see Sage Hill has 7 in front of us. What are their ranks in front of us?
Okay.
Henry Ditton officially the winner at 11:13. That is the exact same time of the winner of the first heat, Turk, 11:13. Sage Hill's got 5 on the airstrip here. When they come onto the airstrip, they have a little bit less than 400 meters to go. Second place, Hobbs from Viewpoint, 11:49. Joey Bickford of Dunn was third at 11:50. Kai Newman of Linfield Christian fourth at 11:53. Northrop of River Springs, Temecula fifth, 11:54. With Ellison Nee of Wildwood, 11:58 and sixth. Seventh was Schrader of Flintridge Prep. Pledger of Linfield Christian was eighth. Ninth was Christian Bryan of Oakwood at 12:06. And Nathan Kutcher of Pacifica Christian of Orange County, 12:09, finishes in 10th. Right now, Viewpoint is the only school with 5 across the finish line so far.
Yeah, it's a shorter race. It's now 2 miles.
Get some water. Go ahead and get some water. Y'all do your best to keep moving. Y'all do your best to keep moving. There we go. Right over here, fellas. Go ahead and get some water. Go ahead and get some water, y'all. Great job, man. Go ahead and get some water. It was pretty good.
Way to go, Justin! Yeah, buddy!
Great job, y'all. Go ahead and get some water. Go ahead and get some water.
And as Division 2, or excuse me, the second heat of Division 5 is just about complete. This is now the third heat of Division 5. We've got Windward in here. They're the top-ranked team in this race. They're ranked third overall in the division. They were runner-up in the Coast League. Thatcher, runner-up in the TCAA. Desert Christian, the Heritage League champs. Ojai Valley, the Omega League champs. Academy for Academic Excellence, Calvary Chapel of Downey, Heritage Christian, Pacifica Christian, Packing House Christian, Santa Rosa Academy, St. Monica Catholic, and Webb. Those are our teams here. Again, that'll be the top 4. In the race that just completed here now, we can give you the unofficial team scoring. These are the teams that will be moving on to next Saturday's final when the CIF makes this official. Viewpoint, 39 points, the winner. Sage Hill second at 89, Linfield Christian third at 108, Flintridge Prep in fourth at 114. Oakwood finishes in the 5th spot at 141, Pacifica Christian of Orange County 146, Wildwood 162, Dunn 176. That's our top 8. So it looks like Viewpoint, Sage Hill, Linfield Christian, and Flintridge Prep moving on to next Saturday's championship final.